Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I make some delicious tacos de alambre using whatever I have in my fridge. So if you're ready, now let's get started. Okay, so a couple days ago I made charro beans. So I had some leftover bacon and chorizo, so that's what we're going to be using today. And I had some leftover milanesa. For this recipe you can use milanesa, ground beef, anything. Just use anything you have in your fridge, chicken, beef, pork, whatever you have. So we're going to begin by cooking our bacon. Okay, so I have my frying pan set on high heat. So we're just going to throw in our bacon. And just cook the bacon to your liking. I like my bacon extra crispy, so once we have it like that, I'm going to remove it from my grease. And we're going to remove some of the grease as well. Okay, so I kept about 3 tablespoons of grease, so now I'm just going to throw in the chorizo. And if you have longaniza, go ahead and use it. Ground beef, whatever you have. And reduce the heat to medium. Okay, so after a couple minutes, we're going to add whatever vegetables you have in your fridge. I had 1 red onion, 3 Anaheim peppers, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 orange bell pepper. And just throw them in. Just mix it with the chorizo and cook it for about 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're going to add our choice of meat. Like I said, I'm using milanesa. And I'm going to season it with carne asada seasoning. But you use whatever you have or whatever you like. So I like to add a good amount. Aquí vamos a estar todo el día. Along with some garlic salt. Okay, now we're just going to cook for about 7 minutes until the meat is fully cooked. Okay, so once our meat is fully cooked, we're going to return the bacon. And of course, just try it for salt and see if you want to add any more. Now just mix it all together. Okay, and I'm just going to top it with some Queso Oaxaca. Now we're just going to cover it and let that cheese melt. And while we wait, we can get our tortillas ready. Okay, and once our tortillas are ready, now we're ready to make our tacos. And just like that, we have our delicious tacos de alambre. Okay, so grab your tortilla and dig in. Alrighty guys, and once we have our delicious tacos ready, now we are ready to enjoy. And of course you can add salsa, aguacate, or just anything you want, but for me these are just seriously super perfect. They're already fully loaded, and like I said, you know, just throw everything that you have in your fridge. They're just perfect, full of flavor. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, super delicious. Very simple, they're fast, easy to make, and they're the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make some delicious tacos de alambre. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.